Yo, 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 Y-O, yo. Oh, no, no. Why, yo. Ricka-dicka, 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 oh. All right, here is the key and door system. I'm going to press play here. If I am the player that's the cube and I try to go through this door, nothing happens. I have to get the yellow box behind this player, which represents the key. So I go through trials and tribulations. I somehow reach the key. Now I am able to go through the door, and the game will restart or take you to the next level or whatever. Now I'm going to go through how I made this happen. Here are the physics of the player, in this case dynamic actor with collision bounds with property of good, and I just have forward and backward hooked up on the keyboard for the movement. The door is right here, door, door, door. So when it collides with the player, it restarts the scene. You can set the scene, get it to do whatever, but two things have to occur for this to occur. Also, the property of key has to be achieved along with the collision of good to make that happen. So this and that, then this. And the key, once I collide with the key, the player's property of good, it ends itself, end object, and it also sends out a random message into the world of key. The empty will then receive this message and convert it into a property that is added with a value of 1. In order to have this property here, you have to add game property over here on the right side and change the type of property to integer. And then, as well as the empty, takes this property when the value of the property equals 1. As well as colliding with the player for the door right here, like I said earlier, you can reset. So you can change this. If this were enemies, the key and door system is the same thing if you want a certain number of enemies killed. So if this was an enemy and I hit it or jumped on it or whatever, it would also send out a property. You can name it whatever you want. And then over here, if you, let's say you want to defeat 10 enemies, and then you can collide with the door, you would just change this value here to 10. So then once the 10 is reached, then I would be able to achieve whatever that would be. So that's it right there.